In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your trigger buttons not responding on your ROG Xbox Ally X. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, let's say your L2 and R2 buttons aren't working, so you might want to recalibrate them. All you want to do is go to your command center by pressing the command center button and then opening up the Armory Crate SE. Now, once you have it open, it's going to look something like this, and all you want to do is go to calibration on the left. You can calibrate pretty much anything on your controller or your console, but if you have any issue with your triggers, you just got to go to whichever one it is, like left or right. I'm going to do left, and then you can just start calibration by pressing A. You got to keep the Ally stationary and then press and hold your L2 button. So I'm going to press it right now, and that's it. It says left trigger has been recalibrated. Now just press done, and I'd also recommend if you do the left one, also just do the right one as well so that they're both matching, and it's as simple as that. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also check out our other ROG Xbox Ally X videos on this channel.